Good morning, class. Before we start our lesson, let me remind you of the following rules. So, always be respectful, come prepared, take responsibility, involve yourself, value teamwork, and engage safely. Before we start, let me. Before we start, we will have an activity. Here is our direction. First, the class will perform the activity individually. Each student will perform 5 jumping jacks, 5 squats, and 5 high knees continuously without resting. So, after completing the first set, each student will you will perform another set of 5 jumping jacks, 5 squats, and 5 high knees with a 10 seconds rest after each exercise. So, listen carefully to me or listen to my signal for stop and start. Perform the exercise properly and safely. Observe how your body feels during and after the activity. First set, you will be performing 5 jumping jacks. So, here is a video for you to be guided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is squats. There is the video for the squats. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, class. Next is high knees. Here is the video for high knees. Are you ready? Let us start the high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, everyone. For the second set, we will perform the 5 jumping jacks, 5 squats, and 5 high knees with a 10 seconds rest. Are you ready? First, we will perform the jumping jack. 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you will rest 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Next is squats. You will perform squats. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. You will rest 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Okay, next is high knees. You'll perform again 5 high knees. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Rest 10 seconds. Okay, that's enough. In first set, what do you feel? You feel that your body is feeling tired and exhausted because there is no rest. In the second set, you will feel your body tired, but for it has a rest, it Your body will be calm and relaxed. Okay. So today we will learn the importance of rest and practice method in exercise. So today we will tackle about mass practice and distributed practice exercise. But before that, let, let us read our objectives. So at the end of the lesson, you are expected to A. Define mass practice and distribute practice. B. Appreciate the importance of proper exercise routines and rest periods during physical activities. C. Perform exercise using both mass and distributed practice methods correctly. So let's proceed to our discussion. So mass practice. So mass practice means practicing skills continuously with little or no rest. So just like you did earlier, so first set, you you don't have any rest. So it means that you perform mass practice. Next is distributed practice. It means that practicing a skill with rest periods in between. So, in a second set, you perform distributed practice. There is a rest periods when you perform those exercises. So, let us define their differences. So, mass practice, little or no rest, causes faster fatigue because it has no rest. So, it can produce fatigue easily. So best for short duration skills, continuous performance. So there is no rest. It just continues. So distributed practice has rest intervals like you did earlier. You have rest, 10 seconds rest. Less tiring, yes, because it's not continuous. Best for long and difficult skills, practice with recovery time. So, did you understand our lessons? All right. Today we'll have an activity. So, here is our group activity directions. First, the class will be perform the given activity. So, you perform the given activity. So, each of you will create one simple exercise routine using maths practice and distributed practice. Choose at least three exercises from the following. You can choose jumping jacks, squats, lunges, and jump in place. Or demonstrate your exercise routine through video recording. So you will be uh, create your exercise routine and then make it a video recording and submit it on our Google Classroom. So make sure to show the correct differences between mass practice and distributed practice. Perform the activity safely with proper discipline. So, are we clear? Okay. So, let me remind you of our group rubrics. So, familiar or take pictures with our group rubrics. So again, what is mass practice? So mass practice means practicing a skill continuously with little or no rest. And then for distributed practice means practicing a skill with periods in between. So you have rest in distributed practice. So did you get our lesson? Okay, so get one for sheet of paper. We'll have at least number one, two, what is the practice? Number Number 3, which practice method is more tiring? Disability practice, mass practice, both are the same, or neither of the two. So 4, which of the following is example of disability practice? A, running continuously for 20 minutes. B, doing push-up without rest. C, exercising with short breaks. D, continuous jumping jacks. Number 5, what is rest important during exercise? A, to become lazy. B, to stop exercising. C, to help muscles recovery. Or D, to avoid movement. So that will be our quiz. So can you picture out or picture your score? So I will be sending the answers in our Google Classroom. Or we will have um, Google form in this quiz. So that's all. Thank you. I hope that you have learned in today's lesson. Bye, class.